Ahir. Riya Ahir, in fact, made national headlines. Riya, thank you for joining us on the telecast. You have come out in support of the protesters. That very forceful picture yesterday of you standing in front of a police van which was carrying the protesters that were detained by the police, stopping that van has gone viral. Could you tell us the reason behind you coming out in support of the protesters?
I mean, we all have been failed by the system, and some of the other level you have, I have, my parents have, the staff has. So we all have a very good reason to join the protest. That is the future of our nation, the posterity. My brother is 9 years old, so studying or not studying, that is his choice. The government doesn't have the right you know, uh, to take the textbook out of his hand. And what has happened with the students who went for the exam, it's really saddening to hear about lives being lost because the government couldn't do their duty. And especially my tipping point was when the police brutality in Delhi took place. It was a very disorganized, planned, gore, grave, vile, every bad adjective you could think of, and if you want to picturize it, that would be it. And a fumble through by the government for our constitutional right, fundamental rights. So that is what made me realize that, hey, I am a part of this generation. I'm a part of the people who want to bring the change, because I've been vocal about it before also. This was not like a one-off incident. I have come in the public eye now because what has happened for me, it was something very natural for me. I have not done something extraordinary. For me, I have always voiced my opinion about something that is wrong. I did it on 21st as well. I was there at Shivaji Park on 21. A few students were there, less than 100, and the same thing has happened. That I put it on my Instagram today because a lot of people are insinuating things about me, and the media channel is not covering everything that I'm giving them. So I had to come out and tell them that I have not done this to become famous. That was not my intention. I'm not even looking at the camera. I'm wearing a hoodie, I'm wearing a cap, and I was there on 21st, and I did the same thing. The exact same thing happened on the 21st. The students were in the van, and when I had
Okay.
arrived.
Okay, all right. I do want to know from you your opinion now, your reaction to the meeting that has been held between the Cockroach Janata Party leaders and the union ministers who have now accepted two of the demands of the party that are representing the youth of the country. Number one demand being that there should be no legal action taken against the protesters. Number two, that compensation of 2 crore rupees be given to the family members of the students who have committed suicide. Are you satisfied with the meeting that has been held and the outcome that has happened?
Anything that has happened, is a growth, is one step forward than 10 steps behind. So this is a good improvement, a progress that has happened, but it is definitely not satisfying because still accountability has not been given. It has happened time and time again. Someone has to, in the system, there is a flaw, there is a fumble, they have to correct that. This is just a compensation, as they've said. This is not a correction of their mistake. They are compensating, but they are not correcting the system, so they have to do that.
Okay, do you think there is an overhaul that has been initiated by the government after Prime Minister Narendra Modi came out on social media and addressed the youth in terms of the overhaul, the complete reform of the education system of the NTA? There has been number one, amendment to the Public Exam Act 2024 is going to happen. This amendment bill is going to be introduced in the parliament on Monday, and the effort of the government, the intention of the government is for this amendment act to be passed by the end of the week. Number two, fast track courts are going to be set up to try the paper leak cases. Punishment for the culprits will happen, will be announced, will be pronounced within 3 months. there is an increase in jail term and monetary penalties. 10 years jail term for the culprits. They have to pay a fine of 10 crore in addition to the 10 years of jail that will be sentenced to them. How do you view these reform acts that are being undertaken by the government at this time?
Anything that was formerly there in the constitution to make a comeback, that means we are winning at some point. But again, when the 2024 paper leaks that happened, the mastermind, apparent mastermind, who was accused of everything and was in jail for I think 2 years, correct me if I'm wrong, he was released and cleared off all the everything against him that he was accused of. He is still in custody if they come up with this, like he's still in custody, but he's cleared off all the charges of the paper leak. So let me tell you one thing, that if the government is saying it's going to happen, it's going to happen. There is a small reel of a little kid saying that आप करेंगे नहीं कर दीजिएगा. So scheme बनाना आसान होता है. You have to implement it successfully. That is what they have to complete the circle, not just start a dotted line.
All right, thank you very much for joining us, Ria, and speaking your mind. On that note, I slip into a short break. Thanks for watching.